what I saw was people having problems in the bank. And these problems can be solved through a Sacco way of lending. First of all, because the Sacco encourages people to save. So what I know for sure, when you have a dream like that, it was a dream. It's something you may not be able to share, but it drives you. And as I say, my vision probably, mostly it's driven by fear. Anytime I take money from a person, I am driven up today now, driven by fear to protect that, do my best to protect that money. Even as we learn, you protect the member money, because now here I revere and say a woman because I don't know much about men. A woman's money is very hard earned and very carefully earned. I keep saying, if anything happens to this money, you will find me in the grave before the woman, because I cannot stand to lose a woman's money. I've been given, okay, now we are many, we have been given the custodian. And that, I don't think anybody can share that. When you have it, and you are able to communicate that to the member, imagine they believe you. There is one thing people always say, and probably you say the same. I am known to be very blunt, but they say with Nancy, what you see is what you get. That history from the ministry to the bank to the Sacco has been consistent. That even when I was in the ministry, anytime we got money to go out, I would account for every penny. I don't believe I should take something that. So that's one of the things that has been able to endear people to join the Sacco, because I know I don't take care and I will not dip my finger. The vision is to enable the people who have the business mind to grow it to the highest level, even today. The people with the business, not anybody, the people with the business human mind, the ability to grow, because not everybody, to grow to the highest level. That's the vision. What the biggest thing that sets us apart from others is the fastness with which we issue the loan. These ones are weak. And a member can plan for the money because they know they will get it. We have made very many individuals who fear bank loans develop now a liking for loans. Because very many people who come here, they say, I fear loans. But your loans are friendly. And for whatever, I think this is a blessing from God, because over 90% of the people who take loans here, they don't lose, they grow. And that's what tells them also to us, because in the beginning, they would even take a photo. Those days we were giving checks even of 1 million. They would take I've never seen 1 million. And for me, I say, this is great. They have done more than they ever dreamed they would do in their own various. A lot of them will take bigger loans in construction. Others have grown their biasharas. Again, from the fact that they know they can make a commitment because they will get the money. Yeah. And also, at the end of the year, we do reward every member. We give dividends of 10%. And here, then I would say, as a country and as members, we have to cultivate. The beauty about the Sacco, it encourages everybody to save. And as a country, any country, including the one we look up to called America, when they overborrow and they end up in so many loans, what happens? Crash, like the one which is happening now. So if a country develops a habit of saving, and we should be the leaders because we are the custodians of homes, we develop that habit of saving. It's a good discipline.